how to create a job ad efficiently. Hi, I'm Leah and I'm back. Business owner ka ba na gusto nang makahanap ng tamang tao pero ayaw mo ng stress sa paggawa ng job ad? Good news! Pwede itong gawing mabilis, simple, at effective. Here's how to create a job ad efficiently. SMEasy sa Jobstreet by Seek. First tip, ihanda mo na yung basics bago ka mag-post. Job title, location, skills, salary range kung kaya, at benefits. Pag ready na lahat, parang checklist lang. Smooth and easy. Next, keep the title clear. Huwag na yung sobrang creative na parang nickname. Kung barista ang hanap mo, ilagay mong barista. Hindi coffee wizard extraordinaire. Third tip, huwag gawing nobela ang description. Keep it short and snappy. Bullet points lang ng main task. Mas gusto ng applicants yung madaling basahin. Fourth tip, ihiwalay ang must-have sa bonus skills para yung may potential hindi agad ma-intimidate. For example, ang required, basic computer skills. Ang bonus naman, marunong mag-Photoshop. Tip number 5, don't forget the perks. Kung kaya, ilagay ang salary range plus staff meals, day off, or discounts. Mas nakaka-excite mag-apply kapag may dagdag benefits. Next, ipakilala ang negosyo mo. Kahit maliit pa lang, i-share mo na kung anong ginagawa nyo at anong vibe sa workplace. Applicants like to know kung saan sila papasok. Don't forget the call to action. Apply now, send resume, or join our team today. Dapat klaro sa kanila kung ano ang next step. And lastly, i-review mo muna bago mo i-post. I-check mo kung may typo, malinaw ang requirements, at inviting yung ad para smooth ang hiring process mo. O ayan, simple, di ba? Quick, effective, at hassle-free gumawa ng job ad. Try it now on Jobstreet by Seek. Libre lang mag-post, kaya SMEasy na mag-hire sa Jobstreet by Seek.